This is a great escape puzzle. It was designed and made by Creative Craft House in the United States. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove this tile with the air balloon on it through this opening on the side of the frame. The Great Escape puzzle is available at puzzlemaster.ca, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Click the subscribe button to access more videos from the Puzzle Master. The Great Escape puzzle isn't just a puzzle, it is a great puzzle game with many different games. Like this is one of the setups, and you have to find a way how to remove the square tile. But if you change the position of any of the parts, it will be a different puzzle, maybe even harder, maybe a little bit easier. Like for example, if I put this part right here, move this down right here, it will be a different puzzle with different solution, maybe even much harder. There are a couple of setups on this small piece of paper that comes with the puzzle. This one requires 138 moves to solve it, and there are some others with 80, 100 moves, 103, 60 moves. So it is a great puzzle that you can solve again and again and again, and every time you play it, you will have a lot of fun. And once you are done playing, you can just close the puzzle so you don't lose any of the parts, and enjoy it again once you have some time. If you like the Great Balloon Escape puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.